Is welcome back to our setup and plan. And as always, first thing first is always external and internal market structure to understand where the market's moving, both external and internal market structure. So if you look here closely, you can understand that we had our break of structure to the upside, a continuation break of structure to the upside, another continuation break of structure to the upside. So external structure, the market is moving up, and this is our last break of structure to the upside. Okay, our last break of structure to the upside, and this is our external swing low. External swing low, and then from here we have our break of structure to the upside. And then you have our internal bullish order block. This is our bullish order block. So what's our plan? Our plan is very, very simple. Scenario number one, you're going to wait for the price to come back here. Then you look for buy confirmation. Then you target the next swing high, internal structure. So another scenario number two, we're going to wait for if the price disrespect this order block, then you're going to wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. Right? Those are the two scenarios. Very, very simple. We are not here to complicate trading. Then EU also was simple, super simple. You can also see we have here our break of structure, change of character, then the change of character to the upside, then a break of structure to the upside, then a continuation break of structure to the upside. So this was our change of character to the upside. And this is our continuation break of structure to the upside. And this was our break of structure to the upside continuation. Then you don't have any valid pullback from here. Then after that, had our pullback here. Then you have our break of structure to the downside. Same setup, same everything. Then the price came, tapped into our order block. You can see we had a clean one. Tapped into our order block from here. Then we had a nice reaction from here. Now you have to wait for our final confirmation. We need to see the price, a 30 minutes candle, come and close above here. And that will be our confirmation, right? Then that is now number one. You're expecting the price to push up. If we don't get that confirmation, then if the price disrespects this order block, then you're going to wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation. Those are two scenarios, right? And we have our external protected low, which is here, which is the swing low. You can see the external swing low, right? The swing low. Then for GBP, JPY, super simple. I've had some nice buys from GBP JPY, and I'll be sharing the trade recaps of the weekend. And this was our last break of structure to the upside. You can see from here, if you watch my previous setup and plan, videos, we understand that we had a break of structure from here, change of character from there, then a break of structure from here, then a break of structure from here, then a break of structure from here, internal structure. So you come here at 15. From here, we had the break of structure to the upside. This time around it's internal. Then you had a continuation break of structure to the upside, internal market structure. Then a continuation break of structure to the upside, internal market structure. Then also had this break of structure to the upside. You can see it. You see, if you have that, we had that valid. Want to first confirm this pullback with this candle. Yeah. Yeah. Then from here we had our this order block here. Price came in, tapped in, then continued to the upside. Although you still have plenty of liquidity to the downside, you can see this had this double lows. Then for GJ, it already reacted during Asian session, but still we're going to focus on this scenario. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, if the price disrespects this order block, it turn into a bearish breaker block. Then you're gonna wait for the break and retest, trying to take out this liquidity to the downside, although it's moving to the upside, external and internal market structure. So for UJ, you can understand here that we had our break of structure to the upside, change of character, break of structure to the downside, then change of character to the upside, then a retest on this order block, then a continuation. Now we are targeting this next swing high. This is our next target, the next swing high, right? And we have our protected low, which is here, both internal and external. Now we understand our trading range. Now you can clearly see, remove this, then you can see that we had our change of character to the upside from here. Then from here we had our order block, which was just down here. The price came in, tapped in, then we had a very, very nice reaction from there. You can see, and a very, very nice reaction. Then you have to move to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. We have our break of structure from here, change of character. You can mark it out. Change of character to the upside, internal market structure. Then you had our break of structure to the upside, internal market structure still. Then you had a continuation. Then from here we had the liquidity sweep from here. Then we had the change of character continuation to the upside. Then we had the break of structure to the upside, continuation. And then you can see have our internal order block, and the price reacted very well from there. Now we can mark it out, our internal order block. Then you can have here our had 1 minute shift here. That was a clean confirmation from there. and the 30 minutes confirmation from here. Then our entry is going to be just here. From this inverted fair value gap, this will be our internal. This is our internal entry from this FBG inverted fair value gap. Then you're going to put our entry just here. We target here. That will be our target, and our stop loss is just going to be just below here with a nice 5. Let's put our take profit here and this swing high, and then we're going to wait for our entry. And for our full TP, both internal and external, we're going to extend our take profit to the swing high.